What's going on everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you my Trading 212 watch list and how I go about using the Trading 212 app in terms of looking at stocks. The first watch list I have is just called my watch list, and I have companies on there that I actually own. So we've got Google, Uber and Amazon. All of these stocks listed on screen I believe are currently undervalued and they will appreciate hopefully in the coming year. Google and Amazon I'm probably planning on holding for a very long time. Uber I'm not too sure, but I think I will hold it for at least a couple years. There seems to be a really negative sentiment against Uber at the moment, which is pushing the stock price down. I know it was trading at nearly $90 per share at the back end of last year, and then it's crashed all the way down to $66 per share. But I generally wouldn't be surprised if we see, $80, $90, even $100 in the next couple years with this stock. The next stock I have is my 2025 watch list. Now this is a list of companies I made probably at the start of this year. So about 30 days ago, I made a video explaining my 3 stocks I have on my watch list. And that is Novo Nordisk, ASML and AMD. There are a few other companies in that video as well that I did mention. But I still think ASML and Novo Nordisk are extremely undervalued. I don't invest into ASML personally because it's kind of outside of my circle of competence. And Novo Nordisk is in the medical space, which can be extremely volatile. I'm also a bit concerned that Eli Lilly are growing faster than them. But I still think both of these companies trade at a very attractive valuation. If I were to invest into one of these companies at the moment, it probably would be ASML. And then the next tab I have is called high quality companies. Now these are all the companies that I believe are extremely good companies, but they may be trading at a premium at the moment. If MasterCard was trading at say $460 per share, I think I would add this stock to my portfolio today. The one I've been really looking into recently is this company here. They produce a lot of parts for aeroplanes and they kind of have like a monopoly on the whole industry. I may make a longer video soon talking about them. I also have Games Workshop, which is probably the best UK company in my opinion. I do think the stock is trading at a bit of a premium at the moment, but if it does drop down and I kind of educate myself better about the company, I think I will open a position. I have a really nice dividend of 3% and the stock is also growing at 20% year over year for the past 5 years. And the final tab I have is called dividends. Now these companies I haven't really done too much research into, if I'm being honest. They're just solid dividend payers that I think, if my portfolio gets to a larger valuation and I want to focus more on, generating cash flow from my portfolio that I can, use for real day, everyday stuff like buying things and living off, then I think these are some of the companies I would diversify into. The company that I've probably done the most research on out of this list is Main Street Capital, and I do think they're a great dividend payer. PepsiCo I think is currently undervalued at the moment. McDonald's is just a great company. Multi-income is a way to diversify into real estate without actually having to, own any and have any tenants or all that stress that comes with. And then again, Vici Properties is kind of similar, but they own all the casinos in Las Vegas. This has been a more, longer, sort of chilled, laid-back video, but I just thought I'd get something up today, to keep the momentum building on my channel. If you did enjoy this video and want to learn more about finance, make sure to follow my page, like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.